You Should Have Left is an American psychological horror movie written and directed by David Koepp, based on a book of the same name by Daniel Kehlmann, starring Kevin Bacon, Amanda Seyfried, and Avery Essex. The premise of the movie is Theo Conroy is a middle-aged retired banker who has an actress wife who is about half of his age and a young daughter. Theo is disturbed by his dark past and hopes some quiet time with his family will soothe his anxieties with the help of guided meditation and journaling. So they book a getaway weekend in a country home in Wales where different events change their life. Let's begin the review of You Should Have Left. Starting with the things that I liked. The movie is visually pleasing. Each and every frame you see in the screen are perfectly shot. The cinematographer, Angus Hudson, has done a splendid job. The chemistry between father and the daughter is portrayed very beautifully by Kevin and Avery. The child actress Avery performed with such an ease alongside the veteran actor Kevin Bacon. Their chemistry was one of the best things in this movie. I cannot say that this movie is very horrifying, but it sometimes makes you frightened and panic for the characters. Now, the things that I didn't like. I think more time should be given for the character development so that we can connect more with the characters. Even though this is a horror movie, but the house shown in the movie is not horrifying. I think the house didn't give that fearful vibe. And my last problem with this movie is the story. Although the movie was directed and written by a very talented director and screenwriter David Koepp, the story was not that good. There were some loopholes. In conclusion, I think this movie could have been one of the best psychological horror movie, but due to its poor execution, it could not. It is a good movie but not great. Recommendation. I would like to recommend this movie to horror and thriller movie lovers. It won't give you the chilling vibes like Get Out and Hereditary, but I think it is worth watching. So let me know what you think of this movie in the comment section, and if you like the video, drop a like and subscribe if you are into this kind of stuffs. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.